Hello everyone, working on this Breville 870XL. Customer complaint is that the heating element is not working properly. So this is your boiler right here. So there's a couple of things what you can do in order to test it properly. First thing what you want to test your safety fuse, this porcelain fuse, for continuity. So you can put your voltmeter right here to a continuity test, and then test this fuse for continuity. I already did that, so the fuse tested good, so there's no problems with the fuse. The other test what you want to do is to test the boiler. The way you test it is you test either for resistance or continuity, but you do the same test. You want to make sure it's unplugged first of all. You don't need it to be plugged in order to test it. So what you do, you test from this point to this point right there. If you have good continuity test, if it tested good and it beeps, that means that the boiler is good. So in my case, this component tested good and also the boiler tested good. So the last component that sends power from the circuit board to the boiler is actually your circuit board. So what you want to do, if you don't see any power here, so the next test what you want to do, you want to test it for voltage. So you want to plug the machine. Once the machine is plugged, you move it to AC right here, and you want to be careful when you do that. So when you plug the machine, the first thing what's happened is that the control board will send power to those 2 points. So you want to put your voltmeter between this point and this point. And if the control board is not faulty and it's operational, you should receive 120 volts between this point and this point. If you don't get 120 volts between those 2 points, then you have a faulty relay on the control board, or maybe a little triac is burned out. But this is the first test. The first test you want to do, actually that's the third test. The first test you want to do continuity test on this fuse. So just give me a second, I'll show you how I do it. One sec. Here you go. So you want to test it between this point and this point. See? So that means this fuse is good. The other test, the second test, as I mentioned, you want to do between here and here. So between this point and this point. So those 2 elements tested good, so no problems. The last test, what you want to do, you want to plug your machine and you want to put it on voltage AC, and then you do a test between this point to this point. But you want to make sure you don't touch any other components, so you're not grounding it. So just make sure you actually touch it on the component itself and not on the component and with your prong somewhere by the ground or something. You don't want to short anything. So if you have any questions, this is my video for today. You can like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.